Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2017 Yamaha FZ07 twin-cylinder 700 sport bike. Beautiful black and red, ABS brakes, only 540 miles on this gorgeous FZ07. It's got a little mini windscreen, flush mount turn signals, fender eliminator, and did I mention ABS brakes? Did I mention 500 miles? Come on by, make your Yamaha's naked sport bike dreams come true for just $74.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.